Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but I'm at Road America today because it is my birthday weekend, so I'm gonna try and get as much as I can, but I just wanted to get a good introduction in before I even start the day, so it's good times.
From Tokyo, saw a girl online, I think her name was Sophia. She danced under the light, so digital. Her style looked so unforgettable. A vibe like that, Sophia, straight out of where you told me.
Oh, the paint is so ugly. Oh, and a sunroof delete? Heck yeah. Alright, so my friend actually pointed out, this is an actual sock. You know what? It works.
In oil, it'll literally be the same color as the oil.
Dang, the camber. I want these seats in like the worst possible. Ooh. The Rays, I want a pair. Ooh, and the chair? Hell yeah. Interesting. You know, it'd be like this sometimes. Oh, and I want to see this guy. This one. The 2JZ. So good. Oh, there's a Domo. That's great. Oh, and he has buddy clubs. All right. Hell yeah. This is cool as fuck. Ooh. Okay, I'm digging this as well. And the prisms. Dang. Okay. Okay. Huh. The neo paint on this thing is just crazy. It's probably a wrap. It is a wrap, but it looks cool as hell. Drift car, drift stitch. Oh, and I saw this guy at WCC. Nice to see him back here again. Oh yeah. Also, I got a new hat. So shout out to Connor at TF Works. You guys are awesome. It seems like right now everything's kind of quiet at the current moment. So I'm running to put this in the car and getting ice because it's hot.
Flash like summer blooms. We built our castles out of dreams. Now they shine so brightly in our minds. The wind carries stories through trees. Every note from the old radio. We wrote our names in the raindrops, and time couldn't erase them. Sunlight dances on my face. A smile spreads without reason. This is how it's meant to be.
Oh shit, it's cold. Perfect. So yeah, that was everything. So that was actually for my birthday, which was really nice. So thanks guys for being a part of this. I'm trying to work on getting this thing done. I'm actually pretty close to that. So we're getting there, just trying to work on it. I have 2 jobs now, so yeah. The Slayer is going to be coming in here pretty soon, so I just got some parts for that. Yeah, figured out what was wrong with it, all the fun stuff. So, yep. Engine should be going in here soon, so I need to start recording things. All right, guys, I'll catch you later.